Oh wow. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. As you guys saw in the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my very first Zara purchase. Like, I've never ordered anything from Zara before. All of these are perfumes, so if you guys want to see what I got, go ahead and stay tuned. So y'all, as I mentioned previously, I have never ordered anything from Zara and I have no clue why, and I'm kind of excited because once I saw the packaging, I really was not expecting much. At first I was just thinking, okay, I'm gonna get one of those little brown boxes. Maybe it'll have some of the brown tissue in it or something like that. I really wasn't expecting this, but I got this cute little box and it opens up like a shoebox. Once I saw like the little silver sticker and the little wrapping on the inside, I was like, okay. I was like, I kind of want to show this. For you guys who have purchased stuff from Zara before, I know this is no surprise, but let's go ahead and get into the items that I purchased. So as I mentioned, I did purchase perfumes, and usually when I do my reviews, I can't wait. So as soon as I get a perfume, I always open it up and smell it and see what it smells like before I make the video. But as you see, like, I have not opened anything in here, so y'all are gonna figure out what they smell like with me. This is the first one that I got, and this is called Yellow Sun, and it just has a huge Y on it. This one is a 3.4 ounce, the 100 milliliter bottle. And my next one is Blossom Blush, and this is what the box looks like. And this one is a 3.4 ounce as well, which is the 100 milliliter. And the next one that I purchased is Full of Light, Join Life. And this is what the box looks like. I don't know if you guys were able to see it on camera, but the front of it is embossed. It just says that it is environmentally friendly and that it's 80% recovered glass. So that is cool as well. And it just slides out of the box like that as well. This is just like a little sleeve that goes over it. So since I have this one in my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a review on it. And I'm trying to figure out exactly how I'm gonna open this. It has like a little piece of paper right here that I might have to cut. And excuse my nails for looking crazy. I need to go ahead and do them again. Oh wow. Okay. So when you open it up, it comes out like this. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so one of these perfumes, literally the only reason why I bought it is because I saw that one of the notes was neroli, and currently I don't have any perfumes that have neroli in it, and I just really wanted to know what it smelled like. I'm not sure if this is the one though. I'm gonna try to look up the notes for it and see if this is it though. So this is what the bottle of the perfume looks like. So let's go ahead and see what this perfume smells like. Okay. So when I took off the cap, you can smell some of the perfume in the cap, which I kind of like. So okay. Wow. Okay. I see you, Zara. This is nice. Like, this is really, really nice. It reminds me of something almost floral. It does have a hint of powderiness to it. For the top notes, there is neroli. For the middle note, there is jasmine. And for the base, there is sandalwood. And it's classified as a feminine, modern, and cozy fragrance. This smells beautiful. I like, usually with store brands fragrances, sometimes they can be kind of cheap smelling and almost like kiddish, like the Rue 21 or Apostle type fragrances, but this one is very, very nice. So now I finally have a perfume in my collection that does have neroli in it. So I'm very, very excited about this. I had no clue what neroli smelled like before this. So that is definitely a keeper. And the next one that I'll get into will be the Blossom Blush perfume. So it has that little tape sticker thingy on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open that up real quick. Ooh, this bottle is cute. It's kind of basic, but it's really, really cute. This is what the bottle looks like up close. For this fragrance, it is the 3 ounce or 3.4 ounce, so you do get quite a lot of it. For this fragrance, the top note is apple. For the middle note, there is cherry blossom, and for the base, there is tonka bean. So let's see how this perfume smells. So here goes the first spray. Ooh. Now it does have a good spray, like it's wide and it's even. This is really, 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 really nice. You definitely get the tonka bean in there. You get the sweetness of the apple, but smelling it right off the bat, you can't really tell it's apple. It almost smells like it's some type of other berry. In my opinion, it doesn't smell like apple, but you do get that sweetness. You definitely smell the cherry blossom in there. In my opinion, it's the cherry blossom and the tonka bean that stand out the most in this. But this just smells really, really nice, clean, and elegant. I'm trying to think of another perfume that I can compare this to for you guys to get kind of an idea, but this is really, really, really nice. Like, I'm so happy that I got these, because currently in my collection I don't have anything that smells like this, and I'm trying to put it in words and articulate this in a way that y'all can feel like you're smelling it, because this smells so nice. Just amazing. I like that. I like these a lot. I'm definitely gonna make this one of my everyday scents. And I'm so happy that I have so much of it too. But anyway, let's get on to the Zara Yellow Sun and see what this one smells like. So far, the way the 2 other ones smell, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this one. But let's see. Okay. This is different. I'm looking at it like the entire bottle is frosted yellow, and you just have Zara Yellow Sun written at the bottom of the bottle. So this is what it looks like up close. And also it does not come with a cap, so that's very interesting. But everything looks nice together. Like, I've seen bottles that don't have caps and the little sprayer is metal, so at least with this one everything matches and looks nice. So let me go ahead and spray this as well as pull up the notes for you guys. So for this perfume, the top notes is apple. For the middle note, there is apricot, and for the base, there is coconut. And it's classified as a feminine, bright, and cozy fragrance. So let's go ahead and see how this smells. This is really nice. I really like this. This perfume reminds me of Victoria's Secret Diamond Petals a little bit. It's not as fruity. Yeah, it's not as fruity as this, but it does have this kind of vibe to it. No, this smells better than that. You do definitely get the apricot. That's the main thing that I smell. I don't really smell the apple that much. This just smells so good. It smells very bright. Like, if you were going, this reminds me of summertime. This makes me think of going to the beach, laying out in the sun, or just doing something really, really fun in the summertime. Like, I have my summer fragrance right here. This is all I'm gonna wear over the summer, I promise. And it's just so bright. It smells girly. It smells beach wavy. I was not expecting this at all. Not at all. I mean, I looked at the notes of these fragrances before I purchased them, so I was just like, okay, maybe I'll like them. I wanted to keep an open mind because I had never smelled them before. I didn't know, because I've looked at notes of perfumes just from reading them online, and then once it comes to me, I'm like, this is disgusting, it smells like feet. Like, what were you thinking when you made this? But these, and they're very inexpensive. I did get them on sale, so like, I think one of them was $7 and the other two I think were $9. So like, that's not bad at all. But the original prices for them, they were like $17 and one of them was $12. So like, these are very inexpensive perfumes to be smelling the way that they do, like especially for the Blossom blush. I mean, really, if you smell this, you could be like, what designer makes that? Who are you wearing? Sean John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karan's fashion line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, or Chanel? What are you wearing? This smells so nice. All of these, I'm so impressed. Like, I have 3 new children and I'm proud of them. These are the ones that I want everybody to see. Like, look at my children. Smell them. Take part in their beauty with me. Like, these are not the ones that I want to hide in the back. I'm not ashamed of these at all. So I'm very, very happy with my purchases. And I definitely do plan on purchasing more of their perfumes and of their other stuff in the future. Now that I know kind of what they smell like, I'm excited to try more of their stuff. So if you guys have ever tried any of these perfumes, or you guys have a few of your own favorites that you think I should try out from their perfume collection, let me know so I can go ahead and get them, because I really, really like these. I was not expecting this at all. So guys, that was my first impressions, as well as an unboxing of all of my little Zara perfumes that I tried out. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want to see more of my face or more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And as always, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.